In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run payroll and switch employees to direct deposit in QuickBooks Online. We'll start inside QuickBooks Online. Sign in and head to your payroll area. Open the settings by selecting the gear icon, then choose Payroll Settings. In this page, find the Bank Account section. This is where you connect the account that funds payroll and direct deposits. Click Edit. Here, you'll enter your business information, details for the principal officer used for identity verification, and the business bank account and routing numbers you'll use to pay your team. Take a moment to double-check the routing and account fields. Accuracy here prevents delays. If you have a voided business check handy, use it to confirm the numbers. When everything looks good, select Save and Continue. QuickBooks will then send two small test transactions, often called micro deposits, to your bank account. These are used to confirm that the account is valid and owned by your business. They typically arrive within 1 to 2 business days. Keep an eye on your bank activity. Once those amounts appear and are verified within QuickBooks, your direct deposit funding account is ready for use. Next, go to your payroll overview and open the Employees tab. Choose the employee you want to switch to direct deposit. In their profile, find the Payment Method section and click Edit. Enter the employee's bank details, account type, routing number, and account number. Remind employees to provide information directly from a check or their bank to avoid typos. Even one digit off can cause a deposit to fail. Save your changes. From now on, that employee's pay will go to their bank account automatically during payroll. When you're ready to pay your team, navigate to Run Payroll. Review each person's hours, salary amounts, and any additions or deductions. Make sure the payment method column shows direct deposit for the employees you updated. This is your confirmation that they'll receive funds electronically. Choose Preview to see a breakdown of gross pay, taxes, withholdings, and net pay. If everything looks correct, click Submit. A quick tip before you finish: direct deposit typically has funding cutoffs, so run payroll early enough for pay to land on payday, and ensure your bank account has sufficient funds for the total payroll amount. That's it. Your bank is connected, your employees are set for direct deposit, and your payroll is submitted accurately and on time.